how to turn on the privacy display screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now it is not available for your Galaxy S26 or the other model, only for the Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we go down and tap on display. Next, tap on privacy display. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here, this is when it's off. When it's on, it actually looks a lot darker outside in real life than in camera. Here, if you tap on the left hand side panel, you can even further make it harder to see if you switch it on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.